everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PS5 controller over to your iPhone so you can play games and stuff on it. This is very easy. First, make sure your PS5 controller is turned off. So just hold down the PlayStation button for 10 seconds and that will manually turn off the controller. But we want to go to settings right here. Scroll on down to Bluetooth. And then make sure this is turned on. And then scroll on down to where it says other devices. Now put your PlayStation 5 controller into the Bluetooth pair mode. Hold down the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time. And the light bar should start flashing. And I can see it's flashing blue. And now if we go back over to my iPhone, you can see DualSense wireless controller. Let's just select that. And it is now connected. The lights on the light bar are solid blue. I can see on player 1 right here. And it is now disconnected from my PS5, so we'll have to reconnect that in the future. So we can start using it on our iPhone now. You can see DualSense wireless controllers right here. Here's my PS4 controller. So I have both of those connected right now. And if you want to just turn these off, just hold down the PlayStation button and that will turn them off as well. So you can see the light bar is on. It's orange. It's going to be turning off in a second just by holding down that button. And hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.